Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hi. Can you hear and see me well?
Yes, can.
All right. Wait for a while. I can't hear you well. Hello. Can you speak again? Hello.
Hello.
All right. Okay. So how are you today? And
What?
how are you?
I'm very good.
All right. Teacher Kim is also good today. All right. So now are you ready to take our lesson?
Yes, I'm ready.
Your cell phone has an echo. An echo. My voice. It is that okay? It's that okay to you that we have an echo?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay. So shall we continue our discussion tonight? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So this is our lesson speaking. Share. Solutions elementary. All right, wait for a while. I will find. Do we have an assignment? Singing different. Solutions elementary. All right. So okay, wait for a while. I think this is not our. Let's find another. Wait for a while. Where is our Unit 4, 7. Did you remember what is our lesson last meeting?
Is for is listeners B B
All right, let's find out. I forgot.
B. Where is B?
Unit. Oh, okay. I think this one. I've got. All right, this one. Okay, so here we go. Task 2. Okay, so here it is. So last time we stopped here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's continue answering this following test. Okay, so the direction is find all the examples of B in the dialogue in task 1. All right, so let us first read the following dialogue. So I will be the one to read the part of Max, and you will read the line of Joanna. Okay. Have you got a brother?
Yes.
No, I mean here. Read this line.
I can see.
You can see. I'll wait for a while. Sorry. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. That one. Can you see it?
Okay.
Okay. So have you got a brother?
No, I haven't. But I've got a sister. Here's photo of us. I'm on the right.
Are you twin?
Yes, we are, but we aren't identical. Emma's got black hair like me, but she hasn't got brown eyes.
Is that your dog in the photo?
Yes, it is. She's called Rosie. Rosie is Emma's dog, really.
How old is she?
She's 16, of course.
That's very old for a dog.
No, Emma's 16. Rosie is 6.
All right. So, okay, all you need to do is find all the examples of B in the dialogue in task 1. So, example, here's photo of us. So, find the other B in the dialogue. You will underline the word B. That's all your answers?
No.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
All right. So let's check your answer if it is correct. Okay, very good. I'm on the right. Are you twin? Correct. Yes, we are, but we aren't identical. Is that your dog in the photo? That is correct. Yes, it's Rosie is Emma's dog. Then how old is she? She's 16. That's very old for a dog. And no, Emma 16, Rosie is 6. All right. Next we have, okay, so task 3. Write 2 sentences with a verb be, 1 affirmative and 1 negative. Which is true for you, which is false, and write T or F. Okay, the direction is write T if true and false, letter F. Okay, so here, okay, we are at school or we aren't at school. How about number 2?
My teacher are isn't very tall. I write like the number 1. I have to write like the number 1, right?
Can you use your pen? You can use your text. Text on the annotate. Wait for a while. And
Like wow.
it's okay. Take your time. Hello? Where are you, Anne? Joanne? Joanne? Hello? Joanne, where are you? Joanne?
Abi na mo be. Ayaw na apila ng gatas.
Joanne? Where are you, Joanne?
Sorry.
Hello?
I'm here now.
Where are you?
Mm,
Where are you? I can't see you. Okay, so let's let's continue. All right, so okay, let's Answer this. All right. So listen to Teacher Kim. My teacher is very tall. My teacher isn't very tall. So where is the false and the true? My teacher is very tall. This is false or true?
False.
Okay, let's check if it is false. Huh? Okay, that's all. So, which is true for you, which is false? So this is the answer. Okay, can you read? Please read.
We are at school.
Next.
We are at school.
Okay, how about number 2?
My teacher is very tall.
Yes, next.
My teacher isn't very tall.
Number 3.
I'm 16 years old. I'm not 16 years old.
Next.
My friends are all girls. My friends aren't all girls.
Next.
Very cold today. It isn't very cold today. My friends and I are in an English lesson. My friends and I are in an English
All right. So next we have, okay, so there is another activity task. Complete the questions with correct form of verb be. Ask and answer questions. All right. All you need to do is answer your answer right here in the space provided. Okay, you can use your text if you want. All right, so let's check if your answer is correct. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Joanne?
No.
Okay. Is our teacher male? Okay. Is our teacher male? Your teacher is male or no?
Teacher.
In your school? There is a male and there is a female, right?
No.
Or you only one teacher only?
A lot.
Okay, a lot. How about number 3? Are we at school? All right, very good. Are your friends all at this school? Another are you 18 years old? Okay, how old are you, Juan?
I'm 11.
Okay, 11. Next, am I from the UK? All right, so are you from the UK?
No, I'm from Vietnam.
Alright, so you are from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam. Teacher Kim is from Philippines. Okay.
Are you hungry?
No. I'm full tonight. Okay, so now learn this. Have got. Okay, so I will read this and you will listen only. Okay, when you talk about the things we possess, how to use have, using have versus have got. Okay, so example, I have got a new mobile phone. Then to talk about our relationship with other people, Example, Jane has got a brother. Then to talk about what you look like, she has or has got blue eyes. Then to talk about sickness or temporary state, example, I've got a cold. Then use have, not have got. To talk about things we do, meals, holidays. Then I have a cup of coffee at 7 o'clock. Have got. So S plus have got, I've got, has got. Same with here. Have not, haven't, has not, hasn't got. Okay, so there is another test. Complete the learn this box. We use have got to talk about positions, family members. Then we have affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Then short answer using yes, I have, no, yes, he, she, it has, no, she, it hasn't. Then yes, you, we, they have, no, you, we, they haven't. All right, so can you answer number 1? What is the correct answer? All right, write your answer in the space provided.
Wait a minute.
How about the next?
Okay.
Okay, so let's check your answer. So if you, we, they have got. So your answer is have got. All right, very good. That is correct. Next, he, she, it has got. Another correct. Then if you, we, they haven't got, he, she, it hasn't got interrogative. Okay, very good. Then have you, we, they go has, okay. Then this is the answer. Yes, I have, no, haven't. Yes, he, she. All right, very good. Yes, you are correct. Okay, so there is another task. Complete the sentence with the correct form of have got, affirmative or negative. Make them true for you. Okay, so answer quickly. How about number 5? What is your answer?
Okay.
All right, so you are already done. Let's check. Number 1, I haven't got 2 brothers. I've got or haven't brothers. Then we haven't got a math lesson. I've got or we've got. Then our teachers got or hasn't got short hair. Then I've got or haven't got. Correct. Then have got or haven't got. Okay, very good. Give me some high five. High five. Okay, because we are already understand our lesson tonight. Next, we have another. Okay, listen and think the things that Joe and Ami have got. Okay. So listen and think the things that Joey and Ami have got. So we will listen.
Introduction Unit. Lesson B. Exercise 7.
Hi, Joe. Have you got a pet?
Yes, I have. I've got a dog. His name is Ricky.
Ricky? That's a nice name.
What about you, Amy? Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't. Is that your skateboard? It's really nice.
Thanks.
I haven't got a skateboard, but I've got a bike.
I haven't got a bike.
That's a nice smartphone.
Thanks. It's new. A birthday present from my parents. Have you got a smartphone too?
No, I haven't. My phone is really old. It isn't a smartphone.
My computer is really old.
Is it a laptop?
No, it isn't. Have you got a laptop?
Yes, I have. Oh, what's the time? Have you got a watch?
Yes, I have. It's 12:30. Where's your watch?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's here, in my bag. Come on, it's maths now with Mr. Brown. We're late.
Okay, are you done listening to the audio? All right, so who has a pet? Joe. How about who has a skateboard? Joe again. How about the bike? So Ami. And smartphone, Joe. A laptop, Ami. And a watch, they both have. Okay, next. Okay. Oh, now, so here. Let's have another dialogue, and I will be the one to read the part of Ami, and you will read the line of Joe. Okay, so hi Joe, have you got a pet?
Yes, I have. I've got a dog. His name is Ricky.
All right, Ricky, that's a nice name.
What about you, Amy? Have you got a pet?
No, I haven't. Is that your skateboard? It's really nice.
Thanks.
I haven't got a skateboard, but I've got a bike.
I haven't got a bag.
That's nice. Smartphone.
Thanks. It's new. A birthday present from my parents. I've got
All right. Okay, continue.
It's you.
Okay. I haven't got a bike.
No, you. No.
All right. No, I haven't. My phone is present. It's really gold. It isn't a smartphone.
The computer is really old.
Is it a laptop?
No, it isn't. Have you got a laptop?
Yes, I have. Oh, what's the time? Have you got a watch?
Yes, I have. It's 20 and 30.
Okay, I'm not sure. Oh, it's here in my bag. Come on, it's math. Now with Mr. Brown, you're late. Okay, thank you for reading. Okay, so here. Write sentences about Joe using the information in the table in task 6. Use the correct form of have got. All right, all you need to do is write a sentence. Like for example, this one. Okay. Joe's got a job. He hasn't got what? Can you make a sentence?
Luis got skateboard. He hasn't got.
What?
Amy, I
Yes.
make a sentence.
Okay, so let's read. Let's read first. So the answer of Joe's got a pet. He's got a skateboard. He hasn't got a bike. He's got a smartphone. He hasn't got a laptop. He's got a what? Watch. All right, very good. So Ami hasn't got a pet. She hasn't got a skateboard. She's got a bike. She hasn't got a smartphone. She's got a laptop. She's got a watch. Okay, so here we go again. Complete the column for you in task 6, then word with teacher, ask and answer to complete the column. All right. Have you got? All right, so let's check first. You? Okay, so now let's learn about grammar, articles, the a, and, some, this, that, this, and those. Okay. Oh, so now here we go. In the classroom, in blackboard, calculator, chair, computer, cupboard, desk, eraser, exercise book, interactive whiteboard, pen, pencil, pencil case, pencil sharpener, rule, and school bag shell. All right, Juhan, listen to teacher Juhan. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
After 40 minutes, if we end this class, re-enter again for another 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
So that we will have a total of 45 minutes because temporary, I don't have Zoom Pro. That's why. All right, so what can you see in the picture, Juan?
Ruler, cupboard,
Yes,
case,
another.
ruler, pencil, pencil, I remember it.
Okay, so match the picture from the words below. Okay. Yes.
Pencil sharpener.
Yes. Here, where is
Shell.
sharpener? Circle
Sharpener.
Also sharpener. Okay, next. What else?
Self. And bin.
Okay. Circle your answer.
Yes. Wait.
Do you want? Don't forget to re-enter again in our class.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2, 4, 6, 8. So let's check if it is already 8 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,